So it's 1:30 in the morning again. It's still kind of cool out, maybe like 65. I'm out here feeding the raccoons and listening to all this bird sounds. Like, can somebody please tell me what's happening over here? Can you hear this? Looks like one of the raccoons is up in the tree, but like, I'm used to owls, right? I'm used to hearing owls hooting at each other. I am not used to birds, and they've been doing this like every night, and it's loud. So if you happen to know what's going on over here with these birds, will you let me know? It's kind of weird. It's kind of cool. Kind of weird.